SuperATV's been known to do some big, wicked mud builds. With this new build, we've really outdone ourselves. Nearly a decade ago, when we developed the 32-inch Terminator tire, we thought that was a massive tire for these UTVs. Never would I imagine that we're now running a 50-inch tire on a Polaris RZR. How did we achieve that? Product innovation. As you can see, we're no stranger to going big. We equipped this machine with our 8-inch billet GDP portals with a 45% gear reduction, a 10-inch lift kit, Rhino X300 axles. We installed our Rhino driveline prop shafts front to back, equipped our billet differential, 5,000-pound winch here in the front. We relocated the radiator to the back. Snorkel kit, we went with a custom cage, one of our tinted roofs, SuperATV doors. We also went with a 12% gear reduction in the transmission and equipped it with a Rev 1 clutch kit. Last but not least, 28-inch custom wheels with 50-inch tires. Catch the machine this weekend at SuperATV's Mud Mayhem in Jacksonville, Texas. We're going to enter this bad boy in the bounty hole competition. We'll see you there.